Okay, so it's the 5th of December 2015. The S2000 is now on 90,291 miles. It was the last oil change was around 5,000 to 6,000 miles ago. So it's time to do a new one. So you're going to need an oil filter removal tool. This is the official one from Honda as usual. So you grab an oil drainer, then grab your 14mm for me, because mine's magnetic sun plug. It's aftermarket. Be a different size for you most probably, but it's got the standard one. And then we will remove the sun plug. Right, so now we've got the oil draining out from the drain hole here. Directly above we have the oil filter, and we have here the usual hand oil filter, and I bought a pack of new sun plug washers that match perfectly with this one. Oil filter removal tool gets stuck on the oil filter. It's handy to have a vice, so you can just back it off. Okay, and now you can put some fresh oil on the oil filter, just around the seal. You can pour a bit inside as well. I never do, but some people do. And then with the oil filter removal tool, now the sun plug can go back on with a new washer. Grab a funnel in your oil and top her up. So check the sun plug for any leaks and the oil filter for any more. Looks okay. And check the oil. And top up if required.